There are also some things that PMs need to do all the time. We'll walk through a few of those now. Communication is another important thing that PMs do. PMs communicate out about their product, status, timelines, decisions, risks, and blockers. The best PMs make sure that the entire team is on the same page. This can be accomplished through a variety of different mediums, like presentations and conversations, but all PMs will write PRDs as well, where they frame the problem and document requirements for the solution. You can test if a PM is doing a good job communicating by asking people on the team what they're building and why. If you ask 5 people that question and you get the same answer back from everyone, then the PM's doing a great job communicating. However, if you ask those 5 people and you get 6 different answers back, then the PM has more work to do. It's also important to establish inbound communication, meaning that if people have questions about a product or initiative, it's important that they know that you're the right person to ask. And lastly, another aspect of communication is that PMs need to spend time on understanding the team, org, and company priorities. This is something that is especially true for larger companies, as PMs will need to understand strategy and vision for the larger company, as well as how their product fits in with all the other products that the company is working on. Another thing that PMs need to do all the time is coordinating. PMs are responsible for coordinating the development and launch of their product across all the various cross-functional partners involved, like design, engineering, marketing, legal, and support. This doesn't mean that PMs do all the work, but they facilitate conversations. And they help to remove blockers or things that might be slowing the team down. They also make sure that everything that needs to happen actually does get done. There's a saying, when the launch went smoothly, the team did an amazing job. But if there's a problem with the launch, then somehow the PM managed to screw it up. Another thing that PMs need to do all the time is keep the team happy. People are way more productive when they understand what they're working on and have a way to measure their progress and impact. People are also more productive when they're happy. So it's super important that you find ways to keep your team focused and happy. There's also a handful of other things that will come up that PMs will need to be able to do. Oftentimes, you might need to help out in different ways to get something unblocked or to get things across the finish line. This could be things like creating a simple mock, reviewing small code changes, analyzing experiment results, writing an article for the Help Center, and many, many, many other things. At the end of the day, though, PMs do it all.